What's up? It's your girl Simone Charisse, and today in this video we are going to be doing a lace frontal wig install. I'm stressing lace frontal wig because in the back of this wig there is a little bit of lace, but this does not make it a 360, okay? There's lace in the back in case you wanted to pin it up or something, but it is not a 360 lace frontal wig, okay? So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So the point of my first wig is you pretty much can get the wig, take it out the box, and put it on your head, which I usually do. But for this video, I wanted to go ahead and make it a little bit of my own because the hairline was straighter than what I usually like. But I do like that I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. I kind of just took out the box and put it on my head after I did my own little tweaking to it, okay? My first wig is really for the customer that wants a wig, wants to take it out the box, put it on their head today, or if you're just really not experienced with how to make your wig look as natural as possible. Hence the name, My First Wig, all right? So fast forward to the headband making process. You guys know I make my own headbands. I customize my own headbands. I like my headbands to be adjustable. It's just more comfortable for me. So this is what I go ahead and do. Do I have a video on this? No, I do not, because these are my headbands. So if you've ordered a wig from me, you have gotten these headbands before in the past. Then I like to go ahead and just sew it onto the actual wig. So this is how it will look. Nice, neat, straight stitch. And then on the other side, it's a nice, neat black line, and you can't even see it through the lace. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just try on the wig, make sure it fits perfect, make sure it feels amazing on my head before I go ahead and just style it a little bit more. So here we have her, okay? Look at her. So I did pluck it. This is how it looks. To me, it looks a little bit more to my liking. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but if you see the part, this part is short. This is how it comes. To make your wig look a little bit more natural, make the part a little bit longer. Okay, so if you keep the part short, it looks like more wiggy, you know? So make it a little bit more longer and get the full use of the actual frontal, hence why it's called a lace frontal wig. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use some setting foam. I'm just gonna flatten out the top. So a lot of the times the wigs come with a lot of hair on the frontal, which is good, not complaining, but it just takes a little bit more work for you to flatten it because I like my wig to be flat. Okay, that's just my preference. So I am using a brush on a high heat. Be careful, do not keep the blow dryer in the same spot for a long time because you will burn the lace. So be very careful with this. And my hot comb broke. Next, I put it back on the wig head. But I did go ahead and use some setting foam just to kind of start to sculpt and make the edge line look a little bit more natural. So this is another alternative if you did not want to use gel, gotta be glued or anything like that. You can go ahead and do this on the actual wig head, let it sit for some time, and then put it on your head. So I blow dried the roots going back for some neatness. I flat ironed the top layer. That's really it. And then I went ahead and did some work with my blow dryer because I wanted the flip to be a little bit more dramatic. So to make the front still sit in its nice curl, I have these detachable brushes. So I left the roller into the actual hair. And now I have some setting foam with a comb. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop, swoop, and whoopity boop. Sorry, I don't support Kanye, but it just went with the video. And I am using this toothbrush looking thing, which is made for edges. I will have the link to everything that I'm using down below. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Now for sideburns, I don't know if you guys are crazy about sideburns, but if you are, I kind of just plucked this out a little bit so that it wouldn't be so much thick hair. And then I went ahead and kind of just trimmed it later on. Now guys, This is what I'm doing for my liking. Let me stress that, for my liking, okay? You don't have to do this part. You can take it out the box and put it on your head, but I actually wanted to go ahead and do a little bit more, but I just want to stress you don't have to do all of this, but this is to my preference. Then my first wig actually gives like these little like sticks, and they take away frizz. So you know, like when you have a lace frontal wig and you have all those strands sticking up and it just looks crazy, well, this thing usually comes in the box, or at least it comes in my box, and it or you can buy it from them, I believe, and it helps to just keep the flyaways down. Get some setting foam. This is going to be your best friend, okay? And this is just like if you like that nice soft look, okay? It doesn't have to always be hard and crunchy. Use a blow dry on high heat and use a comb to kind of help the hair stand up a little bit. Take out some baby hairs, use a setting foam, and scoop, scoop, scoop. Alright, so this is how Sarah Beth looks right now. Full 360. The hair comes cut and everything already for you. Fabulous. Alright, so this is Simone. Meet Simone Charisse. This is me. We're gonna go ahead and install this. Okay, lately I haven't been wearing braids because, guys, on the days I don't want to wear wigs, I look a little crazy. So I put my hair in a little bun, and I'm gonna use some pins and just stick down the ends of my ponytail and just make my bun really flat. Now, guys, let me stress this. You can use your own method. If you want to braid your hair underneath, braid your hair underneath. If you want to do a ponytail because you can't braid, do a ponytail. If you want to keep your hair curly and gel it down so it's nice and slick, do that. Okay, this is my preference. This is what I like to do, okay? I'm happy with doing both, braiding it or putting in a ponytail. So don't come for me in the comments. All right, so here's me and Sarah Beth taking it off of her, putting it on me. Oh, and I'm gonna glue it this time. I felt like being extra. I was going out to STK, but I was like, let me just be extra. But I am gonna use some Ghost Bond glue, and I'm gonna cheat the system. I'm gonna take some and just put it at the sides by the flaps, but I didn't put no glue up by the top part of my hairline, guys, because I didn't feel like it. And the top part was sticking down perfectly. So let it dry for a little bit and then push it in with the end of your comb. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Now, I do have a video, I have several videos on how to use glue to install your lace frontal wigs. All about going to the search bar and actually searching Simone Charisse lace frontal glue. And all my videos will pop up, I swear to you guys. And stick it. Now, my floor, make sure it's clear. Don't make it white. But your girl was on a time restriction, okay? I had like 10 minutes to spare before I had to drive down. So that's why I didn't have time to make it dry. But make it dry though, make it dry. Then push it down and use the back of the comb. Avoid using your hands because you don't want to make it all messy and blotchy and ugh. This stuff can get very messy, guys. Tie it down for about 4 minutes, to be honest. In reality, 15 minutes, you know? I used some concealer that was kind of my skin tone, not really a lighter one. And I kind of just put it in my parts. Actually, I didn't open my part. Now that I'm looking at it, I didn't open my part. I don't know why. I guess I forgot. But I didn't have to, I guess. And then I made like a little boo-boo. So I used some mascara to kind of just neaten that up because you can't have a choppy part. Like, is your real part choppy? No. So let's make your wig part nice and neat. But this is the Vicky Logan wig in case you guys are interested. Vicky Logan, okay? Love her. And this wig is fabulous. I think Raven at least wore this wig also at one point, and it looked fabulous on her too. So yeah, this is my end result, but I don't know. I kind of needed to like put some baby hairs down. You don't have to. As you can see, 15 seconds before this scene, I didn't have any baby hairs, but I kind of wanted to scoop a little bit. It was just more fitting for me, I should say. But thank you guys for watching this video. How do you like this short hairstyle? It's giving me auntie vibes. I don't know, but I love this hairstyle a lot. Thanks for watching this, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Everything is down below in the description box. Bye, guys.